27% up to 27% of households in Kuala Lumpur were earning below the living wage. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Husna. Living with a low income salary has been challenging for people who live in cities. Today, I will provide a social perspective to enlighten about this problem. In Kuala Lumpur, a large share of single adult households and couples with 2 children are earning below the estimated living wage in 2016 compared to couples who live without children, Eileen and Farina 2018. A World Bank study stated how precarious things are for low-income Malaysians, such as 7 in 10 low-income households struggling to meet monthly basic needs, and 6 in 10 have no saving at all. The majority of the B40 are living paycheck to paycheck with nothing left to buffer against emergency, as they find that after paying the rent, buying groceries and covering transport, there's little or nothing left of their salary. Living with a low income salary in cities being challenged to individuals, family and communities. Data suggests that the poorest urban household in KL actually saw real income declines after the pandemic. Adjusted for inflation, the average monthly household income of KL's bottom 10% drop from about 4,146 ringgit in 2019 to 3,431 ringgit in 2022. This means the poorest family are worse off in purchasing power than they were before. EOSM's Household Expenditure Survey 2022 shows that about 66.9% of total households spending is concentrated in 4 main categories, such as housing, groceries, restaurant and transportation. If nothing is done to alleviate this problem, household debt will rise and cause financial stress to afford things they need. Tackling this issue will result a long-term peace and social harmony to citizens who live in cities. Living with a low income salary in cities are sure challenging. To address this problem effectively, here are some possible solutions. The average KL citizen earning an average wage leads a life of careful financial trade-off. Improving this situation will likely require multifaceted efforts, such as raising income through better job, education, keeping essential costs in check, and fostering a culture that enables saving and asset building even at a modest income level. Thank you.